Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube video about McDonald's, one of the world's most recognizable fast food chains. With over 38,000 restaurants in more than 100 countries, McDonald's has become a global icon for fast food. From its humble beginnings in 1940 as a single restaurant in San Bernardino, California, McDonald's has grown into a giant global brand, serving billions of burgers, fries, and other classic menu items every year. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the history of McDonald's. So sit back, grab a Big Mac, and join us as we dive into the fascinating world of McDonald's. But before we dive into today's video, we'd really appreciate it if you could take a quick moment to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. By doing so, you'll be supporting us in bringing you more of the great content that you love. So, thanks for your support, and now, without wasting any more time, let's dive straight into this video. You probably know McDonald's as a fast food chain that serves some of the best burgers in the world, especially the Big Mac. McDonald's is one of the largest fast food chains in the world, and it all started in 1940 when two brothers, Maurice and Richard McDonald, opened the first McDonald's restaurant in San Bernardino, California. Originally, it was a drive-in restaurant that offered a wide selection of items on the menu. However, the brothers decided to revamp the business in 1948, and after a 3-month renovation, a newly designed McDonald's opened. The restaurant was designed to produce huge quantities of fast food at low prices. To achieve this, the brothers limited the menu and developed a simple, efficient format that they named the Speedy Service System. This included a self-service counter that eliminated the need for waiters and waitresses, and customers received their food quickly because burgers were cooked ahead of time, wrapped and warmed under heat lamps. These innovations allowed the brothers to charge just 15 cents for a basic burger, about half the price of other restaurants. The revamped McDonald's was a massive success. The response was so overwhelming that it even left its competitors scratching their heads in amazement. McDonald's success attracted a salesman named Ray Kroc, who was puzzled by the need for 8 malt shakes and mixes. In 1954, he visited the restaurant to see how a small shop could sell so many milkshakes. Realizing there was great promise in their restaurant concept, Kroc became franchise agent for the brothers. Ray Kroc opened his first McDonald's franchise in 1955 in Illinois. In the following 5 years, Kroc opened a total of 100 McDonald's franchises across the United States. And in 1961, Ray Kroc bought out the McDonald's brothers' stake in their fast food restaurant business for a whopping $2.7 million. That's right, Kroc had different ideas for expanding the business and felt limited by the brothers' vision, so he eventually offered to buy them out and took over the company. The force behind McDonald's rapid expansion and success, and his ideas helped shape the brand into what we know today. To ensure the standardized operation of the outlets, Kroc developed standards for how each McDonald's menu should be run, from food preparation to cleaning. In 1975, McDonald's opened the chain's first drive-through window, a feature that soon became very popular. And during this time, McDonald's also introduced 3 features that would define its brand and further massive growth. First, in 1963, the public face of the company was introduced, a clown named Ronald McDonald. However, criticism over marketing to children and the growing negative perception of clowns resulted in the company largely sidelining the character in the early 21st century. Perhaps the most notable addition occurred in 1968, when McDonald's added the Big Mac to its national menu. The iconic hamburger went on to reportedly becoming the company's top-selling item after French fries. In addition, during the 1960s, the chain refined its logo. They eventually introduced the famous M-shaped logo, which became its enduring symbol and one of the most famous logos in the world. It was inspired by the tall, yellow arches that had dominated earlier McDonald's restaurant rooftops. These changes helped spur McDonald's explosive growth. In less than 10 years, after Kroc became the sole owner of McDonald's, the number of chain's outlets topped 1,000. Boosted by these numbers, the company's stock began trading publicly in 1965. McDonald's started expanding its franchise outside the United States in 1967 when it opened a branch in Richmond, British Columbia, Canada. That was the first McDonald's location outside the USA, and by the early 21st century, there were already over 34,000 outlets operating in more than 115 countries and territories. Can you believe that in the 1990s, a new McDonald's opened somewhere in the world every 5 hours? It's no wonder it became the most popular family restaurant with affordable food, fun and flavors appeal to both children and adults alike. McDonald's also expanded its menu over the years by introducing new items like the Filet-O-Fish, Quarter Pounder, Egg McMuffins, Happy Meals, and Chicken McNuggets. Although McDonald's has been successful, it has also faced criticism over the years. Some people have associated the company with a global increase in obesity. In the early 2000s, lawsuits were filed against the company in the US, alleging that its food caused health problems. McDonald's also faced a massive backlash after the release of the documentary Super Size Me in 2004. This documentary was directed and starred by Morgan Spurlock, who set out to explore the impact of fast food on the human body. For 30 days, he ate nothing but McDonald's food, and the results were shocking. Throughout the documentary, Spurlock experienced a variety of health issues, including weight gain, liver damage, and depression. The documentary shed light on the fast food industry's negative impact on public health, and it sparked a conversation around the world. Super Size Me received critical acclaim and was nominated for an Academy Award. It also inspired many people to take a closer look at their own diets and making healthier choices. In response to this criticism, McDonald's added healthy items to its menu and started developing a vegan hamburger. It also eliminated super-sized portions and stopped using trans fat in a number of items. However, health concerns persisted. As one of the world's largest private employers, McDonald's regularly faced calls to increase staff wages. McDonald's pays their workers low wages. This means that the workers earn a small amount of money for their hard work. Some people argue that this is not fair because McDonald's is a very successful company to pay their workers more. The low wages have been a topic of criticism and jokes for many years, and some people even boycott McDonald's because of it. However, others argue that the low wages are justified because the jobs are meant to be entry-level positions and are not meant to support a family. Overall, the issue of McDonald's low wages remains a controversial topic. McDonald's impact on the environment was also a concern. To address these issues, McDonald's reduced emissions as its restaurants and its supplier production of beef. It also started a program to move towards renewable or recycled bags, utensils, and other items. But it's not all bad news for McDonald's. The company is also active in various charities, such as the Ronald McDonald House, which provides a residence for families with sick children. It also has a college scholarship program for Hispanic students. Thanks for tuning into this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. We hope you found this video informative and helpful, and don't forget to check out our other videos too. Thanks again guys, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.